New Zealand is home to some of the most amazing adrenaline-filled activities on Earth, and whitewater rafting is definitely no exception. In Rotorua, you can not only raft down Grade 5 rapids, but also take a plunge straight down the highest commercially rafted waterfall in the world. We'll take you along for the ride and show you what might be a must-do New Zealand experience.
The day that Andrea fears most on this trip has finally arrived. We're going whitewater rafting today, but not just any whitewater rafting. We're rafting the tallest commercially rafted waterfall in the world. So you go rafting like normal, but at the end there's a 21-foot waterfall. You go face down.
It's like a real life Splash Mountain without seatbelts. I told John I am 100% predicting I'm gonna go flying out of the boat, and I'm not really concerned about like my health or safety. I'm just gonna be like really embarrassed about it.
I'm pretty sure if you go over a 21-foot waterfall and you fall out of the boat, nobody's gonna laugh at you. I'm pretty sure everybody falls out of the boat.
Loser.
Give your biggest, warmest round of applause for this shame. Okay, this is Malcolm. He's new here.
Hi, Malcolm.
I'm here for a bit.
What the hell? You guys want to That's not your British thing to say. I'm all with penalty. I'm all like you. Yeah. Back pedal.
And they would never see it again.
Put your pedals up and celebrate!
Yeah!
Keep going, keep going!
You can do it.
Here we are, right above Tutea Falls. We'll watch these rollers. Make a good idea of how it looks. Here they go out. Has your heart going like that a little bit?
Yes.
Forward pedal. And down.
I survived the waterfall. I didn't even fall out once. One of the things that I feared the most ended up honestly being one of my favorite parts of our entire honeymoon.
Shot. We made it. Thank you.
We had a blast. Thank
Yeah, that was
you.
great. Thank you.
Keeping me alive.
Good to be part of the honeymoon, eh?
Yeah.
We're all part of it.
You're invited for the rest of it too, so.
That's good because it's
So what do you think? Has this made it onto your New Zealand bucket list? Let us know down in the comments and make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.